Hello crafty friend! For this card I'm using the Sprinkled with Joy, Oh Snap, Baked with Love, Have You Been Star add-on, as well as Christmas Cookie add-on, Bicycle Built for You, Ho 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 Holidays, and Christmas Dreams stamp sets. For the dies, I'm using the large stitched rectangle stackables and the window part of the stitched bookmark die. First, I stamped the images onto Nina Solar White cardstock using jet black ink. Now it's coloring time. These are the Ohuhu marker color combos I'm using on the stamped images. Feel free to check back here anytime for color reference. I will put some music for the coloring process and I will be back with the continuation soon. When the coloring is done, the next step is fixing any coloring mistakes, followed by adding highlights to the colored images. Next, I add a cute face to the gingerbread figure by stamping on it its coordinating face. Once that's done, I fussy cut the images off camera to save you a little time. Next, I cut a piece of Ballet Slippers cardstock using the large stitched rectangle Stackables. After this, I position the window part of the stitched bookmark die on the pink card front panel and run it through my die cut machine. Once it's done, I adjust the die slightly and repeat the process. Now I have these cute windows on my card front. Now I stamp the sentiment from the Sprinkled with Joy stamp set onto the card front with watermark ink, then heat set it with white embossing powder. Next, I pick a cute holiday pattern cardstock from the Knit Picky paper pad. I cut the cardstock to 5.5 by 4.25 inches, then adhere the card base and the card front together with 3D foam adhesive to give the windows a bit of dimension. Now my favorite part begins, the styling. So I am adhering all the colored images with liquid and 3D adhesive. For me, gingerbread cookies are somehow always part of Christmas. One of my friends and I have been baking together around mid-December for years. If I remember correctly, it's been 9 or 10 years now, so I guess we can call it a tradition. That's where the idea for this card came from. After I finish gluing everything down, here is the final result. Take a closer look at this finished card. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you can get crafty this week too. Bye!